We're off to explore Joan Miro's The Personage of Birds. This iconic sculpture is actually on Hugo's walking route, so he gets to see it every single day. The architect I.M. Pei selected Joan Miro's colorful Personage of Birds in 1982 to mark the formal entrance of what is now 600 Travis. This is the largest sculpture Miro ever commissioned, and at the time when this tower was built, it was the tallest bank building in the world. The architects wanted to create a space, or as they call it, a void, similar to the plazas you see in major cities in Europe. They designed United Energy Plaza to feature a wide, open plaza space, a park that includes lots of big shady trees, seating and water features, and of course, an iconic work of art. The tall, steel cast bronze sculpture represents a person with birds in flight around his head. Joan Miro was a Spanish painter, sculptor, and ceramicist born in Barcelona in 1893. He was considered a surrealist and is probably most known for his brightly colored, whimsical paintings. This sculpture in Houston was chosen by the building's architect and installed to mark Miro's 89th birthday in April of 1982. Hugo and I thoroughly enjoy this park and sculpture every time we go for a walk.